Hello, it's been a while since I last recorded a video about sound tuning, and this would be a follow-up to the previous one. So what we installed here was a 10-inch screen, CarPlay unit, front splits from stack, nicely integrated in the A-pillars, like this, both left and right. They look like this, and then woofers in the doors, the rear coaxials in the back, and silent. Here behind the rear seats are installed components such as the VW prefab 12-liter 10-inch slimline box with the famous TW3 gel audio slimline sub, powered by ESX 800.1 mono and DSP from Helix, M4 DSP, 4-channel, powering the front stage. All nice, installed on this amplifier rack, mounted to the floor, nicely neatly organized, and most of all out of the way of everything else. So that's what it is. The sub, you can see the sub slightly here coming through, but it's not touching the seat or anything else. It's clearly out of the way. That's not a problem here. What's interesting though, so even we used very high-end components or premium components before sound tuning, it still sounded not very nice. So you can hear the difference between this same setup before basically doing an EQ and after EQ has been done. So that was just a quick demo of what the sound tuning does to a car after it's finally installed properly, soundproofed, obviously. So yeah, if you ask me, without sound tuning, it just wouldn't be premium sound upgrade at all. It would just be some components fitted and hoping for the best. But with this, you can actually achieve a good quality sound, similar of those two at-home audio. So yeah, 100%, this is the only option that I would recommend. So what do you reckon?
Thumbs up. Unreal.
Unreal?
Unreal.
Yeah? Do you like how it sounds?
Sounds a lot better than I thought it would, to be honest.
Yeah.
6 a.m. these thoughts. 6 a.m. my watch. She got that red dot. Kick her out the spot. I pay my bills in cash. Run it up, you do the math. No side, had on me go serve you slab.
That is first class sound, son.
Yeah?
First class sound. I love it.
Excellent.
I'm G.
Thank you so much.
You know, thank you. I'm very happy with it.
Thank you.
Very, very happy.